Welcome, YouTubers, to an episode of cooking barbecue chicken with the Rednecks at Rhodes' Redneck
Or
Ranch.
delicious bacon, spinach, and tomato omelet, and more. Awesome 3-egg omelets, new combinations, all with your choice of 2 sides, starting at just $6.99. Come in for a yes at Perkins Restaurants.
Yes, Perkins Fresh Strawberry Pies are back. Visit Perkins Restaurant and Bakery today and try a slice and take a whole pie to go.
Why should you take fish oil? Well, if you're experiencing any of the following symptoms, you should absolutely...
That's a pile of chicken.
Got left and right leg.
Yeah. What do you put on this chicken?
What's that?
What do you put on the chicken?
A little of this and a little of that.
Hey, you have spices over, I see, and you got a big pot of something. Is that a secret?
That's secret, baby.
Yeah.
Tell you, I'll have to kill you. One of those deals.
Any barbecue on it?
No. Take the flavor of the meat, not some barbecue sauce that White sells at some other damn store.
What's the red stuff?
Magic. As Emerald would say,
Paprika or?
It's the essence
Oh, yeah.
of the ranch. That's what it's called, essence of the ranch.
This is the day before the big Memorial Day party.
Yep.
This is how we get ready. We've done a bunch of work around the farm, and now it's dinner time now. Ben, he's cooking up some chicken. Here's a diesel running in the background here. This is a wood fire here, no charcoal. Use all hardwood and we let it burn down to hot coals. So you have to start early. You just can't throw some wood in and light a match and throw your chicken on. This has to burn for a while. It's been burning for a couple hours now. That's all it is hot embers. We'll zoom in on that.
Slow and low, baby, slow and low. We'll let them baby simmer for a while and do her again.
Wow, that's nice.
Tastes nice when it's cooking, you know?
It's barbecuing with the Rednecks, Paul.
Good times. Smells delicious. What kind of sausage?
It's basting the chicken legs right now. What do you baste them with, Ben?
A little of this and a little of that. Has water in it.
It has water in it. It can't just be water, though. It has to have other stuff in there.
I'll tell you, it has water and butter.
Yeah.
And that's all I'm going to tell you. Flip and give a little sprinkle
Secret
again
stuff there.
for
Sprinkle.
For all the stuff that came off with the hose down there.
You look like you're sweating there, Ben.
I am. It's hard work doing this.
You need a drink
I know.
to
Thank you.
fortify you there.
I do. Thank you very much. You read my mind. Oh, buddy, look at them. It's like a sore you-know-what. You can't beat it.
Yeah, it looks good. Look good sitting on that grill.
Yeah, they do, don't they?
Yeah.
Ain't or no? It's even nice cooking them in the rain like this.
Yeah, rain a little bit. Day before Memorial Day.
Keeps them moist. These are turning out better than I expected, I believe.
Wow, yeah, they look good. Nice color to them.
Thank you.
I think the coals mean a lot, having like a low fire, huh?
Low and slow, that's how you do it. You want the supple meat.
Pretty as a picture right there.
Yeah, good picture. Gonna give them another bath here, so you can slosh and let them sit for a little while longer.
Alrighty. Sounds good to me.
Nice about this side here is the rub baked on, so you can really get liberal with the slosh.
Yeah. I'll suck it right in. That cook side, you know?
Absorb.
Yeah. Alright, tubers, this is how you want to cook your chicken. See it just gurgling? The juice is gurgling in the thighs. See it just percolating out? That's how you want to cook your chicken. So the wood fire, just barely going. Just your fire. Not much at all, just hot coals. See the stuff percolating out? See the juice is just percolating? Real slow. Are they ready, Ben?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah.
Test here is
Barbecue chicken, there it is. That's what it looks like, guys.
you take your thickest hunk here and just try to separate them and
Check the joint. Yeah.
check the joint. When that sucker's ready to pop,
It'll break open,
he's
yeah.
gonna go now, but I ain't gonna get doused with hot shit. So
Yeah.
they're ready and
They're ready if we're going to be eating.
they're gonna be supple.
Tubers just wait. We'll see us eating here in a minute. There it is. Barbecue chicken. No barbecue sauce.
Barbecue done the right way.
Yeah.
I just hope one of
Yeah,
the guys
buddy.
in Texas or Kansas City or North Carolina see this Pennsylvania guy showing them a thing or two on chicken.
That's how we do it up in PA. That's our barbecue sauce there. See it? See it in the pot. Looks like butter and vinegar there and stuff. I don't know what else in there, but that's the way you do it. You keep it moist.
Secrets.
The whole cooking. Slow fire too. See that fire down there?
Couple
It's all
flames
hot
here and
coals.
there, but hot coals is the key.
Yeah.
Slow and low.
Bacon chicken and
Yeah.
Not bad. It's just one of those things that takes a long time. You gotta
It's
have
worth it though.
you gotta have patience to do it.
Very
good
good.
chicken, man.
Hang it.
Yeah.